Hi, this is Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady, and I'm coming to you today from our showroom in beautiful Palmer Lake, Colorado. Today's topic is how will my metal roof perform in a hailstorm? So there's a couple of things about a stone-coated steel roof over a painted metal. The first thing is you have a stone surface on it. And so if a hail were to hit it or scratch some of the stone off, you're not going to see that from the ground. As compared to a painted steel roof that if it gets hit, you're going to see the dent or you're going to see the scratching. The other thing about a stone-coated steel roof is there's a little bit of a pattern to it, if you will. Metal's kind of like paper. The more times you fold it, the stronger it gets. And so you can see in this particular panel, and in really all of them, there's a little bit of a depression or a pressing in the metal, which gives it a little bit more strength. The other cool thing about a stone-coated steel roof over a batten system is because that we're installing it over a 2x2, they're interlocking together, kind of like you see here. And if one panel were to get damaged, we could remove the screws in the panel, take the panel out, and put a new panel in. And so it's real easy to repair a stone-coated steel roof. Say you have just a few panels that are scratched by hail, or maybe a tree falls and you've got branches down or whatever. And in a lot of the areas we can do as many panels as we need to. You just need to check local codes. In our particular county, we can only replace 25% of the panels. But it may save you from having to replace your whole roof. Just some of the cool things about a stone-coated steel roof and hail. So thank you for joining us for this episode of Roof Lady and how stone-coated steel roofs perform in hail.
Wind-driven rain and even a lot of hail cannot prove a match for the strength of our metal roofing product line. Give Lianro a call today for more information on your roofing needs.